Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a button on your worksheet here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so all you need to do is make sure you're on your worksheet and on the page you'd like to use, and then go up to the very top of your screen and click on Developer. If you don't have this, we do have another video that does tell you how to add the Developer tab. Once in here, go down and click on Insert and click on the drop down until you have these different options. The first one is a button. There are different types of buttons, but we use this one for now. We're going to click this and then drag where we'd like the button to go. Once we let go, it will then give us this form which we can enable which macro we'd like to use, aka what we'd like to happen when we press this button. If you would like help on making macros, we've made a second video on how to set these up. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.